This is how you fix your iPhone speaker sound being too low. It's a simple fix. There's a couple things to look for, but I'll walk you through all of it. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do, and I'm sure you know about this one, but I just want to make sure we cover all the bases, is scroll down from the top right. You want to make sure that your volume bar here is not off or set far too low. And like I said, I'm sure you know about this already, but this is just our first stop. I just want to make sure we're on the same page. So if that's not the problem, if this is at maximum and it's still too quiet, you want to go into the settings of your phone. Scroll down to sounds and haptics. Open that. Here we can adjust the sound for alerts, but this wouldn't be the sound for, say, playing YouTube videos. But this is another place you could adjust the sound for alerts specifically. If we scroll down to the very bottom, we have a built-in speaker volume limit. If the sound is too quiet on your phone for watching videos and things or listening to music, this is probably where the problem is. Open this. Yours is probably turned on and you have it set to something really low here. So the maximum limit is only 30% in this case, which means we're only using 30% of the volume that our speakers are capable of. So you can adjust this to a higher limit, or you can turn this off completely and just go max volume. Having this on is, of course, for your hearing protection. So that's something to think about before you crank your volume too high. But this is more than likely the cause of your volume being too low. One more thing to check if this is not it. If that doesn't fix it, go back out to the main settings, scroll down, go to Face ID and passcode. Enter your code, scroll down to where it says require attention for Face ID and attention aware features. One of the attention aware features is lowering the volume of some alerts, but it might also lower the volume of videos if it realizes you're not paying attention. So you can turn these two off and test if that fixes your volume issues. And hopefully one of these does, or a combination of these fixes your low volume issues. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is all about how to add your favorite song as your custom ringtone on your iPhone. Check out that video and I'll see you there.